Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I believe this is July's, and I kind of remember that I was a little bit irritated because there's a lot of makeup in here. So there's someone who's going to absolutely love this box. It's just not my favorite box. I do prefer the skincare. So this right here is Essential Balm Miracle Multi-Use Oil. Contains 6 extracts: elderberry, berry, evening primrose, juniper berry, rosemary, lavender, and blueberry. It says you massage into skin's dry areas and use it to smooth hair ends as well. Okay. From seed to skin, and there's a shot of all of the ingredients. So this one is a pineapple and coconut prep and prime polishing primer, okay, with horsetail plant extract. It says apply to wet or dry hair. Oh, okay, I thought it was a face primer. Place a small amount and gently work through your hair. I'll definitely give that one a try. It is 100 milliliter in size, and the company is called Styled Dry. Retails $22, and there is a shot of the ingredients. Well, not so bad so far. There's a skin and hair product. And then this card, Let It Bloom. So this is basically just for the person, you know, that subscribes to Ipsy. It says everything is valued up to $200. Tresolus Beauty. This is called Playa Dreams Duo Highlighter. And that is actually very pretty. But, you know, I don't wear makeup. I really don't. I mean, I just don't. So, I mean, I think it would be really pretty on the eyes, though, to make the, you know, as a shadow. So, or as a highlighter, whatever you want to use it for. Looks like it's a retail of $26. So this one is Whispering Rose Luminous Blush by Violet Voss. This is a 4-color blush palette. Now, as pretty as this is, I don't know why it says it's blush, because to me, this looks like blush, bronzer, highlighter, and then what do you call the white? To contrast and define, I guess. But they're very nice shades, and Violet Voss is expensive. Luminous Blush. And it comes in a little case, snaps closed, and retails $43. Alrighty, so the last but not least is LYS Beauty Love Yourself Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, so it has a snap closure case as well. And here are the pretty shades, 6 different colors. Looks like maybe they're all a shimmer. Maybe that dark plum color is not. Rose gold pink plum. Actually, the pink and the plum look like they're not a shimmer. The other 4 are. So the palette actually says empowered, and the colors are leader, genius, hustler, focused, unstoppable, and CEO. And this has a retail of $25. So Boxycharm bought Ipsy, so that's why I'm calling it Boxycharm by Ipsy. And I'm not exactly sure. I mean, because when you go to the Ipsy website now, it shows Boxycharm, and then Ipsy is the small one where you just get the samples. So I've always had Ipsy. I used to get the annual subscription, so now it's Boxycharm by Ipsy, I guess. So you get the 5 products, and you can choose. You fill out your profile, and you can choose whether you prefer the skincare, the makeup, you know, whatever you like. And it now has a value up to $200. This box right here is valued at $152. So the eyeshadow was $25. The highlighter is $26. And then the hair was $22. The hair and skin was $36. And then we have the Tresolus, the blush was $43. So it's a total of $152 in product, and you pay the $28 plus tax. It's always free shipping, so it's just around $30. So it's always a great deal. Still love Ipsy, and even though it's a Boxycharm now. So, and as always, let me know what you think. I love to hear your comments below, and I will see you in the next video.